Hey there, fellow Valorant enthusiasts! Today we're diving into a guide on how to swiftly reach level 20 in Valorant 2023. Whether you're aiming to unlock competitive mode or simply showing off that higher rank, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Now for step 1, we need to understand what is AP points. Before we dive into the methods, let's talk about AP points. You'll need 5,000 AP points to level up once. So let's explore how to earn these points efficiently. Step 2 is accumulating AP points. Earning AP points isn't rocket science. Here's how you can do it. Number 1 is first match of the day. You'll earn a cool 1000 AP points just by playing your first match of the day, which you can see on your account level. And second is during matches. For every 6 seconds in a match, you'll earn 1 AP. That's 10 AP per minute. And if you secure a win, you'll get an additional 50 AP point. Now step 3, there are 2 effective methods. Now let's dive into the 2 methods to rapidly level up. So the first one is the easiest way. This one is straightforward and can be done even with minimal playtime. Here's how. Play 1 game a day. By simply playing 1 match, whether it's competitive or a quick spike rush, you'll snag a solid 1000 AP points. Make sure to aim for that win, cause only if you win you will get that 1000 AP points. Method 2 is the fastest way. For those aiming for the fast lane, here's the speedier method. Choose Spike Rush. Opt for Spike Rush mode, where you can earn 50 AP points per victory. This mode is known for its shorter matches, often just 4 to 6 rounds. It's a quick way to rack up AP points. And there you have it. 2 methods to expedite your journey to level 20 in Valorant 2023. Remember, whether you're taking the easy route or sprinting through Spike Rush, consistency is key. Level up, enjoy the game, and we'll catch you in the next one. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more Valorant tips and tricks. Until next time, stay tactical and have a blast in the game.